Every indie developer faces the same day one wall. They publish an app and nobody finds it. LaunchDesk fixes that. Paste your App Store or Play Store link, and it grades your listing with 28 deterministic ASO rules, rewrites it with real AI, and generates a verified promo kit. Let's walk through the whole flow. I'll use a real app, Duolingo. LaunchDesk fetches the actual listing from the store, no mock data. The quality gate scores it against 28 rules: title, subtitle, keywords, description, visuals. Duolingo starts at a B, 86 out of 100. You also get the top 5 fixes to prioritize and a 30/60/90 launch roadmap. Now the AI step. One click and the listing is rewritten through the open router model, then rescored against the same quality gate. The before and after is shown with a clear label, Real AI. Score climbs from 86 to 93. And if no API key is present, a deterministic fallback engine keeps the demo working, so the product never breaks. The final step is the promo kit, a custom deep link that opens your app right to your listing, a scannable QR code for posters and print, a smart banner snippet you can paste into your website, and ready to post published copy for X, LinkedIn, Reddit, and Telegram. Every asset is generated from the user's own app, fully personalized. LaunchDesk, one paste, a quality gated score, a real AI rewrite, and a complete launch kit built for Hack On Vibe's global impact track, so every indie developer can launch like a team. Try it at launchdesk.pages.dev.